playing the app Barbie's Fashion Closet. There is a new fashion pack that is available for a limited time. It's called Spring Fun. It is $4.99, so we're gonna check it out so you can see what's inside. So first, looking at the list here, we have hair, a dress, some shoes, clothes, no new backdrops and no new poses, but it is, you know, clothes and shoes and one new hair, so that's pretty cool. So let's go see how it looks on the dolls. Now today I thought it would be a lot of fun to make Chloe, Sophie, and Carmen using these new fashion packs. So let's start out with Carmen. If you got this doll, this is from the Dream fashion pack, I want to say. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But this is a curvy Barbie in the game. So now they do have curvy Barbies that are available. We're gonna take her and turn her into Carmen. Carmen, I believe, has green eyes. So we're not gonna change any of her features. Right now we're mainly concerned with the fashion. So no makeup, no makeup. I like her the way she is already, nice and natural. But we are gonna use that new hairstyle, and I see it right here in blue. There it is, look at all that hair. It has a lot of texture, so that's pretty cool. Carmen has red hair, so let's see if we can find some red hair. There it is. Oh well, that's like Ariel red. We don't want it quite so bright. Let's try this. Oops, take the brush. It's kind of too strawberry. What about this one? Perfect, it's really pretty orange. That is the color we want. Oh, look at Carmen. This is so much fun. And she loves it, of course. So now we're gonna go check out those fashion packs. Carmen, I totally see her wearing a dress. So let's go and find that dress for her. Here it is, pretty little floral dress. And Carmen seems to really like it. It looks perfect. Now there are other dresses available from previous fashion packs that totally look like something Carmen would wear. But we're trying to use the new fashion packs. So stick to the plan. We're gonna go with this purple here, and there she is. I love it. Isn't that adorable? So up next, we should pick out some shoes. We saw lots of new shoes available. Let's see if we can find where the new shoes are. And where are they? Where are they? All right, here we go. Right here. I believe these black ones are new. They're like spiky sandals. Some pink sandals. Some pink tennis shoes. Some blue wedges. Let's go with the blue wedges. I think that's as close as we're gonna get to matching this outfit. There's a little blue in her dress, so I think it works. And what do you think, Carmen? She loves it. No backdrops, unfortunately, so let's keep everyone in the closet because it's Barbie's Fashion Closet, so like everyone's trying on their clothes in the closet. I think it's a cool look. And let's pick out a pose for Carmen. Which pose screams Carmen? I think that's kind of cute. I think that's cute. That looks like Carmen, but Carmen, what else would she do? Would she be like that? Hi. Yeah, let's go with that one. I like that look for Carmen. Yay! And of course, you can add filters. You can add stickers and borders. I'm a no sticker and border kind of girl, so we're gonna leave that just as it is. Yay! Carmen is done in our new spring fashion. She's so cute. I love her. Okay, up next we are going to pick out Chloe maybe. Let's go with this. She looks like she could be Chloe, right? She's like, yes! Now Chloe has green eyes, so we are gonna have to change her eye color. And we'll find her some green eyes. Which color green is Chloe? I'm guessing it's that one. Yeah, it's like an olive green color. So we have her eyes. Now let's pick out some hair for Chloe. Come on, I don't want to do the makeup. Yes. What about the hair? Okay, Chloe has bangs, right? Or her hair is always to the side. So we could do the new hairstyle, but that's really not really Chloe. So we're gonna have to choose an older hairstyle for Chloe. What about, nope, that's like Sophie. There's some bangs. Straight down, maybe? What other options do we have? Come on, we need some options. We need some options. Those are like princesses and stuff. Let's give Chloe, no? Yeah? Wanna do that? Like her hair's down? I don't have the bangs here. I feel like the bangs are important. So let's opt for the bangs over anything else to just signify that that is Chloe. So this is taking way too long. Let's just find hair with bangs. Hair with bangs. There we go. There we go. All right, and then Chloe has dark brown hair. Chloe's hair. There you go. What do you think? She's like, yeah, it works. Okay, so this time we're gonna go over to the other side, which has tops and bottoms, and we will see which outfit we can put together for Chloe. So for the new shirts, this is available. That's a cute little white shirt with a lace top, the banana shirt, the California shirt. I think Chloe is wearing that or was wearing that recently, wasn't she? Then here's a pink top. The blue and polka dot is cute. Stripes or the little school varsity sweater. What do you think? Which one looks like Chloe? I'm thinking Chloe might wear the black and white stripes. Yeah? Or the California shirt. I think Sophie and Chloe share clothes all the time, so we can interchange them. But I'm gonna go ahead and put Chloe in the blue polka dot top just because it's new and we want to see what it looks like. So there's Chloe with the blue polka dot top. She's like, yes. Now we're gonna check out some pants. So available, the black denim jeans. Is that new? I don't know if that one was new. There's no icons on this, so you don't know which are the new pieces and which one are the older pieces. We're just trying to use our memory and hoping we get it right. Here is the green skirt, the purple skirt, an orange pair of pants, a denim skirt, a floral skirt, and a striped skirt, and some shorts. So all of these fashion that are available in the game now are actually fashion packs that are available for dolls, which is really, really cool that you can now bring your doll's fashion into the virtual world. I think Chloe might wear the orange shorts because that is what comes in that fashion pack. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna go with the jean shorts for Chloe. Yeah, that looks reasonable because she's like a no nonsense kind of girl, and she's like, if I can't wear it to the barn, I'm not wearing it. So since Chloe loves to be no nonsense, let's find her some new shoes. We're trying to find some of the new ones. Here we go. Boots. I don't know if I like this outfit. I don't know if Chloe will walk around with studded shoes on. Sandals. I'm thinking she's a sneaker kind of girl. So we'll go with the pink sneakers. The only thing I'm noticing with these fashions is that the transition from the shirt to the shorts, there is a little bit of a bump there. So if you look really close, you can see that. And I wish you didn't. I wish it was a little more smooth, but you know, I'm not a video game programmer, so who knows, right? Okay, and we'll keep her in the closet background. So what do you think, Chloe? She's like, yeah! I could totally see Chloe looking like that. She's super happy. Maybe that looks for Chloe. I think we used something similar for Carmen. Cell phone. No, that's not Chloe. That could be Chloe. She's like super happy. The bunny is totally Chloe, but it's kind of off season. How about that? She's like a real take charge happy girl. I like that one for Chloe. Yay! So let's pick out the next one. We have our borders and our filters, but we're all done with Chloe. I think she looks fantastic. So we have one more to go, which is Sophie. And let's see what Sophie's look is. Now for Sophie, we could pick Teresa, or we could still go with the one that looks like Chloe. There's not a lot of options for skin tones here, so I think Teresa would just be, I think that's a little off for Sophie. So we're gonna go with the same one that we chose for Chloe for Sophie. I know the skin tones are a little off, but you know, this is all we have, so we gotta use what we got. So she's like, yes! All right, for Sophie, Sophie does have brown eyes, so we're good on the eyes. Let's see, Sophie looks good. We don't have time to play with makeup. We're just gonna keep going. Sophie, Sophie, Sophie. But Sophie has lighter colored hair, so that might make a slight difference. And we could have played with the facial features. You know, you can have that option now in the game, is to change their face, but we're gonna just leave it. And so Sophie, let's see, what hair looks like Sophie's hair? No, tiara, even though Sophie thinks she's a princess, we're not gonna do that today. How about a side ponytail? I really like the look of a side ponytail for Sophie, or we can have it straight with a little bit of the front pulled back. So, but just to make sure that it looks very different from Chloe, I think we're gonna go with a side ponytail. Yes, and then let's pick out some brown. Sophie has a lighter color hair, not that light. It's like, that's pretty much blonde. So let's give her brown hair, and then maybe we can add some blonde streaks, because Sophie does have blonde highlights. Can we do that? There we go, we gave her some serious blonde highlights here. Can we turn her around? Here we go. Blonde highlights. You know, I feel like they did make the brushes work a little easier in the last update. I used to have a lot of trouble in coloring the hair, and it seems like everything works a little smoother, which makes me very happy. There we go. Sophie has her blonde highlights. And now we're going to move on to the next section, which is the clothes. We're gonna go with a two-piece outfit here, and I'm thinking Sophie would totally want to rock her California sweatshirt. So, I mean, t-shirt. So that would be really cool for Sophie. Now let's find her bottoms. So we're looking for a skirt or some pants that will look great with this t-shirt. And I'm thinking we can go with this jean skirt. I like that. You know, it looks pretty comfy, looks comfy. Once again, not overly excited about the transition from the shirt to the skirt, but I think we can work it. So that is how Sophie is going to look. Now, of course, with this outfit, she's gonna wear tennis shoes, because I can't see Sophie wearing almost anything other than tennis shoes. So let's find those new tennis shoes for Sophie. Her and Chloe are gonna be like totally twinning in these in these shoes at the moment, but that'll work. And that's her look out of the new Barbie fashion pack called Spring Fun. So I love it. I think it's a great addition. I'm really happy that those clothes from the outside world has been added to the game. It just makes it that much more fun. For Sophie, I think she's definitely gonna be taking a selfie. So there is one that looks like she's taking a selfie. Perfect. That is totally Sophie. I think that's great. And we've just created Carmen, Sophie, and Chloe in Barbie Fashion Closet. That was awesome! Ah! Now I'm really excited and hoping for more of the dolls to get introduced into this line. I'm hoping for more curvies. I'm hoping for more skin tones so that we can really make Sophie and Chloe with different face molds. So that would just be that much more fun. Thank you so much for joining us while we took a look at Barbie's Fashion Closet and what's new coming to the app. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!